Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. We are working. I am printing currently. Mom is foiling. Say hi.
Morning.
She's cutting foil, but I thought really quickly I would open my sock advents, so let's do that. Okay, trying to do this one-handed because I did not bring my tripod today. So I am just putting the socks back in, and when I'm done, I'll take them all home. Oh, Mom's gonna hold the camera. Okay. So Day 2, which is actually, I'm just gonna. Oh. No, look how cute. Got the baby up top. Some glittery snowflakes. Aren't those cute? Okay, so that was Day 2. And today we are, got stuff everywhere, but we are working through the end of this pick list. I'm about to start cutting. I am currently cutting only using 3 machines. I've got a mat order coming so I can use a couple more, and then I've already got, I upgraded my portrait that I was using to cut vinyl to a Cameo. I need to bring that portrait back so that we have all of these full. But this is what has printed so far, and then Mom has got, this is what she's foiled so far, but then we've got stacks. Where's the rest? Stacks. They are being pressed. I don't think that cup's doing much, but yeah. She's just cutting foil now, and then we're gonna work on those orders today, and then I'm gonna go back home and do more shirts.
My shirt.
Oh, I can't see it. You're on the other side.
Oh.
You've got something, okay. Mom's got on our holiday cat shirt.
Soft and
so
cozy.
So cute. And Chewy is over there snoring. Okay. So I don't have my tripod, so I'm probably not gonna get a ton of footage here. I will try to get a little bit more when I go back home. I do have some things to wrap. So I'll probably get that, and I really need to decorate the tree. But I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is now about 3. I'm trying to, the sun is really odd right now. I hope you guys can see, I don't know if you can. I am now leaving Mom's, so we did stickers all day. I've got to go do more shirts. Today is actually the first day that I have not gone to the post office since Sunday. I've been in there every single day, so I need to go get those packaged. I've got a couple, I think I can press. I'm waiting currently on vinyl, the screens that are still bouncing. I just filed a claim for those actually, hoping to get them moving again because now they have been in transit, arriving late for a couple of days with no other update. And then silver foil. The Postal Service, not even just USPS, because I think one of those things is FedEx, at this time of year is just, it's terrible, and it doesn't seem like it matters how early I order things in advance. They're still gonna get lost or take forever. So Colby just told me he isn't working Saturday. He normally does, and that means that I will have both Saturday and Sunday with him with the dogs all day. So I'm gonna be working both of those days for sure. Mom and Mike are actually leaving for Disney, I think, on Sunday. So it's gonna be just me, so that's fun. But I'm hoping that silver foil shows up today or tomorrow. These pre-Black Friday orders, their ship date is, I believe, tomorrow is Friday, so probably tomorrow. Some of them would be Monday though, because I know that the orders, I believe that the sale went throughout the weekend. But anyway, so I'm waiting on stuff right now to be able to finish doing what I need to do. And the transfers, if I can't get an update from the Postal Service, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do about those. I'm gonna have to email and see, but fun stuff. So anyway, I'm about to go home. I'm gonna walk the dogs, deal with some shirt stuff because I know I've got some that are ready to be pressed, or not pressed, ready to ship. So I wanna get all of those packaged up so I can take them in the morning. And then if I've got anything that I can go ahead and press, I'm going to, but I think I need that vinyl because I've got a lot of the shirts that I need, but the vinyl is taking forever now to get here, which is great. So I need to wait on that. I need to wrap some presents tonight. Hopefully I'll have time to do that. And then I need to decorate the tree. So maybe we'll have time to do that tonight too. I guess we will see, but I will talk to you guys a little bit later. It is now, 6 o'clock. I'm incredibly red because I just ran with Aspen. So I have been trying to get her to where she can run with me when it's cold like this. So throughout the winter. In the summer, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but just to wear her out. I like almost accidentally ran with her one day, and I was trying to run with Ozzy and he didn't want to, so I called Colby because we had just walked them. Called Colby and I said, can you come back and get him, because he had just left. We drove together, and I said, let me try to take Aspen, and I didn't think she'd do well. I thought she would like pull me the entire time, but turned out she did amazing. And that first day she ran like, I don't know, 1.5 miles with me and didn't stop once and didn't really yank on me much. So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna try to get her to where she can really run with me. So we've been doing, for the past couple of days, let me see, we went from 1.5 to 2, 2.5. And then today I did like 1 3/4 because my knee was starting to bother me and it was getting dark. But anyway, so I've been taking Ozzy first. As he's gotten older, hasn't really been about running anymore. He used to really enjoy it, but now he just doesn't. Anyway, that's why my face is so red. I did just get out of the shower, but my skin gets really red when I do any kind of physical activity. Anyway, 6 o'clock, I've not had dinner. Colby should be home probably within like 10 minutes, but I really quickly need to, she's ringing the bell. I really quickly need to package some shirts that are ready to go, as well as I've got a stack of shirt invoices. I've got so many shirt orders right now that I've been confusing myself now for a couple of weeks when I go to place orders, and I'm ordering extras of things I don't need because I'm not realizing that that was batched out in the order before, which is fine. I don't mind having too many things, but I do mind if I don't have enough things. So what I want to do is take the stack of invoices that I have and place shirts with them, so that I can figure out what I already have extras of and don't need to order more of, or if I'm missing anything. I don't have any of the stuff ordered from the Black Fridays, is that right? Sunday, whatever sale started on Sunday and Monday. That hasn't been ordered yet because I still had orders coming in via Etsy, so I wanted to wait. I just order once a week normally, so I wanted to push that a little bit. My skin is not having it. Mom and I wear masks at the gym again, and I'm breaking out because of that. But anyway, so I'm going to press those shirts. I'm gonna try just stacking invoices. I'm sorry for the lighting, but I've got to let her out. Stacking invoices with the shirts that are needed to go with them so that I can get an idea. I'm gonna do a count and then place an order, but I'm not gonna show you guys all of that because I don't, I'm gonna show you guys me folding and doing all of those things. But as far as the orders, me going through everything, I can't really record my screen because I'm constantly switching in between invoices and my spreadsheet that I created, which is how I figure out what to order. So can't show the screen for that, but I will show you guys me packaging shirts, and then I guess we'll talk about what's for dinner because I don't know. I'm thinking about just doing spaghetti because again, I'm tired, it's easy, I've got work to do still. It's Thursday evening, which would normally be new release time, but we're not gonna do new releases because I'm behind now because, you know, silver foil isn't here, transfers aren't here, I just, anyway, I need to send some emails about those as well. Forgot about that, so I'm gonna get to it. Sorry, me again. I forgot to mention, this shirt that I've got on, I've got a sweatshirt of it as well. I actually ordered extras of these, like a decent amount extras of these, and never put them up on the site, so I'm gonna do that tonight. So if you're interested in this shirt, it should be up by the time this vlog is. I'll have it listed probably just as a t-shirt and a long sleeve, possibly as a sweatshirt, I'm not sure, but I also wanted to mention, I'm not doing pre-orders again of these screens like I did this time. It sounded like a great idea, and if USPS wasn't the way they are right now, it would have been, but this is a ridiculous amount of time, so from now on, I'm not gonna pre-order. That allows me to offer more designs because I'm not having to order all these things that might not sell, but this has been too stressful for me, and I'm sure you guys aren't thrilled about it either, since I think at this point they're late. I think they were supposed to start shipping yesterday. So we won't do that way again. I have already ordered some screens that I've not listed yet that once they get here, we'll do those, but I will do them that way from now on because this is too much stress for me. I just wanted to mention that and about this one that I do currently have here. So, okay, on to the office.
Through the hard times, you were right there. struggle, you stand by me. When I was alone, when I felt hurt, you came into my life and I will show you what you were. You love me, you believe in me, and I'll give you my best. And I promise you that I will never leave. Never leave, never leave. Never leave, never leave you. And I promise you I'll never leave.
Hey guys, so Colby got here and he wasn't hungry, so I heated up some leftover bulgogi I had, and this is actually Beyond Meat. That's how I prefer to make it. Made myself some white rice in the Instapot because I messed it up on the stove. Got some sriracha here, and yeah, so that is dinner tonight. You want to say hi?
Hi.
I also just placed a massive shirt order, which is great. They had everything I needed except for 2. So I'm going to check a different distributor, a couple of different distributors, and see if they've got them. But all of the sweatshirts, the pullovers, the long sleeves, and the short sleeves were all in stock. So that was wonderful.
Woo woo!
Yes. Anyway, so I'm gonna eat, and then I need to send some emails about some of these shirts. Hey guys, so just finished dinner, and now I'm going to edit and upload this vlog, and then I've got a little bit of work on the backside of the website that I need to do. I've got those extra screens. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I have extras. 2 extras of the Disney ones, like the Christmas goals, and 2 extras of the trees. I may keep one of each for myself. I haven't decided. And then I've got the extras of this one I've got on. So I need to get those onto the website. I don't know if I've ordered extras of the ones that haven't shown up yet, but I'm gonna figure that out. But I will talk to you guys tomorrow. You wanna say bye?
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.